And in this lesson, we show you how to make your affiliate links safer and friendlier by investigating how to hide your affiliate link with redirects. So you might be thinking, why create redirects in the first place? Why bother? Well, for starters, it looks a whole lot friendlier. So if somebody's at your page or looking at the link that you're sending them to, and it's a whole bunch of letters and numbers like example123.rspanish.hop.clickbank.net, then it's less trustworthy and people aren't going to like the look of it. It's not particularly pleasing. It doesn't make a lot of sense. You don't know where you're going. It's kind of like a map full of gibberish. So if the name of the link is a lot more clear and straightforward, for example, your website .com/recommends/Rocket Spanish, if you were promoting a Rocket Spanish product, it will still direct people to your affiliate link. It just looks better. The second reason that you should create redirects is that it can reduce commission hijacking. So redirects are also a way of cloaking your affiliate link so that other people don't see it and think, I could click on this affiliate link, or I could join the program and click through my link instead and get the commission myself. Redirects make your affiliate link less obvious to other affiliates. The third reason that you might want to create redirects is that they can save you a lot of editing later on. So by diligently setting up redirects for all of your affiliate links, you're safe if the merchant ever changes their affiliate network or affiliate link system. All you need to do is change the link in your redirect rather than going through all of your web pages and newsletters to change every individual link. And if you set up redirects for all products that you mention, not just affiliate products, you'll also be able to easily add an affiliate link if an affiliate program ever becomes available for that product. So that's very handy. Now there are a bunch of different ways that you can add affiliate redirects. I would say that the absolute easiest one by far would be creating affiliate redirects with a fellow theme. So if you don't have a fellow theme for your website, to be able to create affiliate redirects this way, you would have to make sure that you would get it. I will just show you quickly what that looks like. So here in WordPress, this is the WordPress for Enlightenment Gateway. If I wanted to create an affiliate redirect with a fellow theme, all I have to do is hover over here and this menu comes up and I look down at affiliate redirects. Now this theme is specifically set up for affiliates, so it makes it easy for you. So I would simply click Add New Redirect, and I would enter the name of the product. So for example, let's say I was doing Rocket Spanish, I would enter this in as Rocket Spanish, and I'd keep that as one word because it's going to go on the end of your link. So it's not just what you're calling it for yourself, this is what the link is going to become, okay? So, and then the web address, I would put my affiliate link, so www.affiliatelink.com. There'll be some kind of hop or network or whatever there. And then I just go create. And see the prefix here is go. So you can change this to whatever you like. Go is a fairly straightforward one. So now if I go down here to Rocket Spanish, if anyone goes to enlightenmentgateway.com/go/Rocket Spanish, which was that name that I entered in, then that link is going to take me to this web address. So you can imagine how if your affiliate link ever changed, you could change the web address right here to be the new one. And then when people went to this link, which was the link throughout your website and newsletters, it still goes to the correct location. This won't change, and the affiliate link can change, and that makes it very, very easy. And that is a very simple way of creating redirects. So now I can take this link and put it all over my site. People see this, oh yep, go Rocket Spanish. Yeah, I'm going to click on this and it's going to take me through to information about Rocket Spanish. It's connected to this website, so it's not just some random place. I feel like I can trust the website that I'm already on. So that just makes it simpler, easier, more attractive, more trustworthy, less hijackable. The other two ways of adding redirects to your site involve being able to put code into your website. So if you do use WordPress or another WYSIWYG editor, or what you see is what you get editor, then you will need a filler theme to make it easy for yourself. Otherwise, you can talk to whoever does the code for your website, or if you do the code for your website yourself, here are two ways that you can do it. The first is using PHP redirects. So you'll simply paste the following snippet of code into a blank web page and change it to point to the page that you want to redirect to. So you can see the code right here. The easiest way is to go into the lesson notes below, the transcript for this lesson, and copy paste this piece of code, entering the affiliate link that you need to redirect to in there yourself. Now, it's very important that that code needs to go directly into your HTML and source view, and it must go into a completely blank page. So there shouldn't be anything else on the page, not even HTML tags. So you need to save the page as a .php file. Okay, so that's a PHP redirect. And then the other thing is Metatag redirects. So, and this is another method that you might see. It's a meta refresh. So basically you can put this code here. Once again, you can copy and paste that from the lesson below. In this piece of code, the URL is the address you want to redirect to, and the content equals, and then a number, refers to the number of seconds the page should wait before redirecting. In this example, the page will redirect instantly. So this method is slower than the PHP method, but it allows you to add a message to the page if you want. So redirect pages traditionally have a "if this page doesn't redirect in 5 seconds, click here" message to be nice to older browsers. These days it's not really necessary and not really desirable for affiliates. You're better off sticking with the affiliate theme method mentioned above with the affiliate redirects there, or the PHP method. Both of those will be faster for you. So to sum it up, in this lesson we've taken a look at some of the reasons for using affiliate redirect links, including it looks friendlier, you can reduce commission hijacking, and it can save you a lot of editing later on. We also looked at 2 ways that you can create affiliate link redirects, including using PHP redirects and using Metatag redirects. Thank you for listening, and I will catch you next time.